Hey guys, it's your own boy, the one only Great Dane, back with day 179 Star Drop opening. And if you can't tell by the music in the background, we've got a brand new season, which I'll be doing a quick review on as well. I figured I'd just merge the two together, especially since so much has changed and I don't have a lot of time. So, starting off with a super rare. You have 50 power points. Another super rare. 200 XP doublers. And a rare. 50 coins. So we got this super zany, early cartoons-esque background here. Let's see, for the daily freebie, we have 5 credits, and as you can tell by the plus sign, things are going to get slightly more interesting with the Brawl Pass in a second. They have a special offer of Misfortune Tara in the shop, but again, that's something you can get out of Star Drops, which we should be getting a significantly increased amount of. Again, you'll understand why when I show off the Brawl Pass in a second. I don't even think it makes sense to go off with the usual ending I usually do for the Star Drop openings, just because that amount's going to change very drastically. Right, so let's see, where can I start here? Power League. We don't have any 5v5 modes, interestingly enough. So, this is arguably one of the coolest skins. I think it's probably my favorite one of the new season that's come out. Again, if you guys haven't seen the new animation video they released, is very interesting. They went with a lot of different art styles again. So this is Final Boss Rico. Let me just show him off real quick. I think a lot of people are favorable towards the Spike skin as well. That one looks very interesting. So this one kind of has like that cell shading effect. It's like when you use his star power for when fire becomes more powerful or adds extra damage. Then we have his super here. Fiery eyeballs. I think they all kind of have eyes though. Regular balls on the gadgets, though they don't usually change the gadgets anyway, so those kind of always look the same. Again, this is a really cool skin. I'm sure it comes with like a pin or a spray or something. Actually, I think they all come with a spray if you complete enough of the challenges here. Yeah, interestingly enough, the spray is just another Star Drop. Feels like everything is Star Drops these days. So you do get a pretty cool looking player icon, and I'm sure it comes with a pin once you actually get it, if you choose to get it. And for the actual season 22 already, man, time sure flies. The Brawl Pass. So what I'm actually gonna do is I'll show you this first. So if you guys were wondering about the epic brawler you can unlock. If you're someone like me who already has all of them, you just get more credits that will essentially go towards Star Road fame, which is, you know, I mean, if you like fame, it's cool, but if not, it's whatever. And then you have the list of all the differences between Brawl Pass Plus and Brawl Pass. And of course, you have all the perks like the extra daily freebie, double daily battle XP, but what I'm most interested in is this instant 20% progress from the Brawl Pass Plus. So I'm going to be picking that up to see what exactly that does real quick. So again, I'm going to pause the video and come back in a second once I have it. Alright, so we now have the instant 20% progress. So again, I can't measure exactly what that changed without actually looking, but from my understanding is let's see, 50. So again, that's the other thing I should really point out first of all, is that the new Brawl Pass is only a month long, but it's also, they changed it from 80 tiers to 50 now, and again, you get significantly extra XP from buying the pass, but also something I'm already noticing that is very interesting is back in the old pass, whenever you were going to a new tier, you'd get to like 20 or something, and it would never go past like 600 XP per tier. So it might be the fact that they increase the ways you get XP, but, and again, XP was, I believe, tokens, if I'm not mistaken, back before they made this change. But it looks like it's gonna take quite a bit more to actually rank up your tiers. So, despite the fact that they decreased it to 50, it's still probably gonna take at least probably 2 weeks. Again, it depends on how much you play. I'm trying to think quick, so... Wait a minute. So... I already completed the Brawl Pass exclusive quest. While it was locked, it looks like it probably already gave me the credit for that. What I think is very interesting is I already completed the daily quest, so I don't know exactly how this shows up. And it's pretty funny, I actually have 3 different quests for Kit, which I definitely wanted to play, but now I have a lot of incentive to do so. So again, I'm not sure how I feel about the Colette skin at the end of the pass, but something else that I think is very important to this guys is someone, I just saw a Reddit post about someone who was triggered that if they already got the exclusive brawler for the season, once they went to unlock it, they got like 100 coins or some really terrible offer. We don't have to worry about that anymore because brawlers are no longer part of the Brawl Pass, believe it or not. You only get these exclusive titles and skins now, so you don't have to worry about that. Again, it's kind of sad that you can't get the passes with gems anymore. You still get about the same amounts. With Brawl Pass Plus, you get 100. I think before, when you used to buy the regular pass, you'd get like 90, so you're getting just slightly more, assuming you are buying the Brawl Pass Plus. Again, if you're always buying Brawl Pass Plus, so you're paying like twice as much as you used to before, but you should be getting significantly more as well. Yo, I think something else you'll definitely notice is there's a lot of star drops on the Brawl Pass now. Again, in terms of me saying should you actually get the Brawl Pass, I don't even know if I could just say that anymore. Should I be saying should you get the Brawl Pass or the Brawl Pass Plus, right? So, again, if you play the game a lot and you want progress, I think you probably should get the Brawl Pass. I think you should only get the Brawl Pass Plus if you play the game maybe like every day, you're really invested. But again, if you don't care about the skins or the exclusive cosmetics, you don't get too much more from Brawl Pass Plus. So I could definitely understand why you'd still just get the regular Brawl Pass here. So again, they did say in the talk that you get more from this new Brawl Pass than you did from the old one. So it doesn't really make sense for me to say to not get it. But again, if you're a free-to-play player, I'm again very sorry that you will essentially never be able to experience the upper half of the Brawl Pass. Is just ridiculous to me. But again, so I'm kind of tweaking right now because usually what I'll do for you guys is I will click up in the top right corner to show you what the last Brawl Pass looked like, but they actually got rid of that too, so I can't even, I mean, I couldn't compare it anyway because again that was 80 tiers and this is 50. But again, so you guys know, if you're trying to store credits, you can't do that anymore. So you'll notice I still haven't claimed my chroma credits from before. That is why, because you can no longer store credits. They already forced me to claim my it was like 1,800 from last season that I was hanging on to. So that's also something to keep in mind. If you haven't claimed those credits, you might want to not do that depending on when they release brawlers, because they're not releasing brawlers by season anymore, like I just said. They're just kind of releasing them when they release them, I guess. So you might want to try to hold on to credits if you can, but they're going to get auto claims most of the time now anyway. So I know I could do this, I just need like a second. So again, that 20% progression, so that's 20% of 50. like if I multiply it by 2 to 100, take 20%, that'd be 20 tiers, so it should be half of that, right? So you get, if you buy the Brawl Pass Plus, I believe you get 10 tiers, if I'm not mistaken. Again, you guys can always rewind the video, and I'm going to look for myself. But instead of plus 5 tiers for just paying with money, which essentially was their way of getting people not to spend the gems on the Brawl Pass, now that you have to pay money anyway, if you spend an extra $3, you get all the exclusive items, an additional 10 tiers it looks like. And there were some other things like more resources, but again, it's not too big of a difference, so don't feel too bad if you can't get the plus. But I do still suggest getting at least the Brawl Pass if you can. And again, if you can't, it's frustrating, but it's not horrible, you know. I'm trying to think if there's anything I've missed to go over. I mean, again, there's a lot of changes, some maybe not so great. Another thing that I should at least mention quick is I finally got my first Brawler to Gold 1.
You aimed well and managed to miss the mark. Let's get physical.
What I should mention is, again, I bought the Billy the Kit offer, the early access one, on the last day. But something I'd like to mention, if you can get him right now, if you have enough credits, I'm not sure if that's how they're releasing him yet. I'm pretty sure some other people got him that way. If you can get him, I highly suggest playing him right now, because you probably have like a week or a week and a half, 2 at most, before they nerf Kit into the ground, because he is arguably very overpowered, especially when he has like 8 cubes and solo or duo showdown. He can just keep spamming super. And then, I don't know 100%, but some people think that Miko/Maiko, however you pronounce it, has a Fire Cube glitch in solo showdown. So if you can't get Kit, at least try to get Miko/Maiko as high as you can before I believe they're actually going to nerf him. Again, I have no evidence for that other than the fact that people are saying he probably should be. At least in terms of cubes, his other mechanics are fine. But they're definitely going to make some changes to Kit. I mean, the fact that he actually has a gadget that essentially allows him to be Leon for 5 seconds 4 times during a match is just unbelievable. There's gotta be something else that I'm forgetting, right? I know something some people were upset about was, again, if you're free to play, you can't get those glowy name tags anymore. Yeah, I mean, I think I've covered everything, and I don't want to hold you guys any longer. It's already probably a long enough video. I guess I should just ask you guys what you think of the new Brawl Pass. Again, there's more exclusive things here. Something I'm hoping I'll see tomorrow if I don't complete them is what the 3 daily quests stacked up looks like. Because I already completed 1, that's why it looks like the regular 2 on the side. We'll have to see. I'm very interested to see how many or how much XP we need to get to the very final tier, because it looks like it keeps increasing on this one. But yeah, again, I only recommend the regular Brawl Pass if you play a decent amount. Brawl Pass Plus if you really care about getting exclusive items. And I guess, oh man. So that's the real question now then, is when do I open all these star drops, right? Okay, here's what I want to know, and you guys gotta tell me in the comment section. Should I hold on to as many star drops as I can and just leave them all to be opened on like the last day of the season? I think they're gonna be auto-claimed anyway, but should I hold on to them and just make one video with just this humongous star drop opening? That's what I want to know, because I think that could be pretty fun. But yeah, again, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Had some pretty decent uptake in the channel. I don't know why you guys care about this series so much. It's literally just opening star drops, but having done it every day since, it's not always been the easiest thing to find the inspiration to just randomly get on Brawl Stars, win 8 games, and upload a video about opening star drops. But it's been fun, and you guys seem to appreciate it. So again, thank you so much. Again, there's a lot going on with the new season drop. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what skin you're looking forward to most. That's what I wasn't forgetting, but I wanted to show you guys like the Spike skin and stuff. It's just not out yet, so I can't. But again, let me know which one of these skins is your favorites. You have the Colette anime person, Paulette or whatever they're calling it. You have the final boss Rico. You have the like sticker Spike. And I guess you could even say Billy the Kid, though I don't know if I don't know when they were gonna release that in the shop, or if they even are, because right now it was exclusive to the early access offer, but it's not like a crazy special skin or anything like that. But anyway, guys, yeah, make sure to subscribe if you look forward to more content. Again, I'm gonna keep trying to do those daily star drop openings. Let me know what you think about whether or not I should open the ones already on the pass, and let's see how far we can take this, guys.